Okay, what we're gonna do is next is we're gonna actually we're gonna use Dreamweaver to actually do an app layout, something that's gonna be a little bit more friendly to, for instance, your iPhone or your iPad or handheld device. All right, to do that, basically what you got to do is you got to open up a new file. All right, I kind of was already doing the video tutorial. By default, usually we run HTML and we use this menu right here. Scroll down to page from samples. There's two ways of doing this. This is the easiest way, I think. All right, you go to mobile starters right here. Ah, I did it wrong. Actually, let me go back again and do it again. Okay, this is it actually. So this is it. The mobile starters, it gives you a layout like this. And what it does is, if you look carefully, these divs, all right, all represent pretty much a page. So instead of having a bunch of separate pages, by choosing this layout, you'll get something that looks like this. Preview in browser. We'll just save this as untitled tree, and we'll go to the browser and take a look at it. All right, you see this? So basically, this gives it a little bit more like the iPhone layout. You can go here, and it goes to page 2. Of course, none of the buttons are functional, so basically you got to start adding when you go to page 2. Like you see from here, you can go to page 3 and page 4, but once you're on page 2, of course there's no content, not even a back button. So you can see right here, all this is basically is a UL layout, so it's not, and it's all written from the from the code right here, the remote code. Let me take a look behind the screen and take a look and see something. Yeah, it's pretty much all remote on the internet. We're using it straight from the jQuery codes. So basically, you can't edit it, but there's also another option that you can actually. My computer is working like crap. All right, there's another option that you can actually go here, open up a new. All right, mobile starter, and here that is on the internet. This is local. If you do it with local, then you can actually get all the files on your computer, and you create this. Create. All right. If you take a look over here, is what I'm trying to show you when this computer gets to it. All right. Versus this, you can actually see the files are not on the internet; they're on your computer. Once you save this page, it'll go to the directory, and you can start editing them, editing the CSS as well as the JavaScript. If you know what you're doing, you can go behind there. It brings up the same output. It brings up these pages. And again, the second way to do it is a little bit easier too as well. It's not that difficult. And the way to do it is by going here and going to a new page. You open up a blank page. All right, just a demonstration, so it won't have any outlines or any templates like that. Okay, you have a blank page, and another way of doing it is doing this. You can come here, you can come to insert, you can go down to jQuery mobile, all right, you can insert a page. All right, you see it actually starts taking it up, taking all the files that you need. All right, and you can either do it remote. Remote could actually take it and do it on the internet. Again, when you do it like that, you don't have the option of editing it as much. But in any event, you save it. Okay, okay. And now, yeah, this is page 1. You can name it whatever you want here. It'll have a header and a footer, and in the middle you can put the content. My computer is working like crap with the video recorder playing. Okay, so you see, here's my point. It actually took up all of the files, but it's actually local. It's somewhere sitting on my computer once I save this file. So this page It's just one. You can actually put all the content. You can actually put external CSS file in here to design the page, and again the button. So you have the ID of the page right here. This is page. So any other page that you put under here, it could be the second page, you can name it whatever, and then after you would have links in between. So yeah, it's just acting really weird today. So basically that's it. And that's the two ways that you can get a page that looks basically like this. That's a little bit mobile friendly and works. It's compatible with all browsers, including handheld browsers. Just need to show you that video. Cool.